Welcome back to Ride Geek, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Indian Scout, a motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic design with modern performance. Let's explore what makes this bike a standout in its category. The 2025 Indian Scout pays homage to its rich heritage while incorporating contemporary elements. The new tubular steel frame replaces the previous cast aluminum design, offering a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. This change not only enhances the bike's aesthetics but also simplifies customization, a nod to Indians' commitment to the custom culture. The S line from the steering neck to the frame's downtubes is inspired by the original 1920 Scout, adding a touch of timeless elegance. Depending on the model, the Scout features either wire spoke wheels for a classic look or alloy wheels for a modern touch, catering to diverse rider preferences. Under the hood, the Scout boasts a newly designed 1,250cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering 105 horsepower at 7,250 revolutions per minute and 82 pound-feet of torque at 6,300 revolutions per minute. This marks an increase of 5 horsepower and 10 pound-feet of torque over the previous model, providing a more exhilarating riding experience. The 101 Scout variant takes it a step further, offering 111 horsepower at the same RPM, thanks to a more aggressive tuning. This engine upgrade ensures robust acceleration and a thrilling ride, whether you're cruising city streets or tackling open highways. Indian Motorcycle offers the 2025 Scout in 3 trim levels: Standard, Limited, and Limited Plus Tech. The Standard trim includes all LED lighting, an analog-style speedometer with an LCD inset displaying fuel efficiency, and dual-channel ABS. The Limited trim adds electronic rider aids such as traction control, cruise control, and 3 ride modes: Sport, Standard, and Tour, along with a USB charging port. The top-tier Limited Plus Tech trim features a 4-inch TFT instrument cluster equipped with Indian's Ride Command System, offering turn-by-turn navigation, smartphone connectivity, keyless ignition, and push-button start. These technological enhancements ensure that riders have access to modern conveniences without compromising the Scout's classic appeal. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Scout lineup. All models come standard with dual-channel ABS, providing reliable braking performance under various conditions. The Limited and Limited Plus Tech trims further enhance safety with traction control and selectable ride modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to different riding scenarios. The robust braking system, featuring a 298mm front disc with a 2-piston caliper, upgraded to dual 320mm discs with 4-piston Brembo calipers on the 101 Scout, ensures confident stopping power. The 2025 Indian Scout lineup offers a range of models and trims to suit different budgets. The Scout Bobber starts at $12,999 for the standard trim, $13,699 for Limited, and $14,699 for Limited Plus Tech. The Sport Scout is priced at $13,499 for standard, $14,199 for Limited, and $15,199 for Limited Plus Tech. The Scout Classic begins at $13,999 for standard, $14,699 for Limited, and $15,699 for Limited Plus Tech. The Super Scout is available exclusively in the Limited Plus Tech trim, starting at $16,499. The 101 Scout, also offered only in the Limited Plus Tech trim, is priced at $16,999. These pricing options ensure that there's a Scout model for a wide range of riders, each offering a unique blend of features and performance. The 2025 Indian Scout represents a compelling value proposition in the cruiser segment. Its blend of classic design, modern performance, advanced technology, and comprehensive safety features make it a versatile choice for both new and seasoned riders. The availability of multiple trims allows customers to select a model that best fits their preferences and budget, ensuring that the Scout can cater to a diverse audience. Whether you're drawn to its historical roots or its contemporary capabilities, the 2025 Indian Scout stands out as a motorcycle that honors its legacy while embracing the future. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle insights. Ride safe and see you next time on Ride Geek.